bubble painting. Have you ever heard of bubble painting? If you haven't done bubble painting, it's gonna be your first time. Can you, my mom Alicia, can you read the list for us?
I sure can. Small cup, paint, water, dish soap, plate, drinking straw, a white piece of paper, and measuring spoons.
And just to note, we have two because one is going to be for water and liquid dish soap and one is going to be for paint. So first,
we're going to mix the paint, water, and dish soap. You need 2 tablespoons of paint.
It's 28 minutes.
And make sure that you have like a cover on your table or something like that so you don't end up making a mess on your kitchen table. All right. And Kenny looks like he chose a beautiful like aqua color.
Like an aqua color.
Okay. And then for that, let me just grab a little napkin here. That's okay. That's okay. All right.
And that science is so messy.
Yep. He has a paint shirt on it. Sometimes maybe you'll need a paint shorts too.
Yeah.
Okay. So you
And
put
we're
that
gonna need one right here.
Okay.
And then we're gonna put
The
2 tablespoons of water.
Mm-hmm. Awesome. That's 1.
And that's 2.
Very cool. And did you do 2 tablespoons of paint too? Or
We're
just
gonna need one more.
one more tablespoon of paint. Okay. That's why you always want to do teamwork
Exactly. And make sure you need a parent with you.
for painting for sure.
Yep. And painting is amazing.
All right.
And then next we're gonna do 2 tablespoons of
The dish soap.
The dish soap.
Let's move it closer over here.
2 tablespoons.
And my guess is hand soap or something else would work too. But
Yeah,
again,
if you don't have liquid dish soap, hand soap is exactly like liquid dish
it's
soap.
soap. Yeah, it's liquid.
Exactly.
Just make sure you ask your parents what they want you to use.
Yeah.
Perfect. Awesome.
And then next we are going to place a cup. Place the cup
we
on the
did
plate.
that.
We already have
And
that.
we're gonna put the drinking straw in now.
Drinking straw now.
And this is where the real fun begins.
And we're gonna make bubbles and it's gonna overflow.
There it comes. And you're gonna have your paper ready. You're gonna try to mix it a little bit, and then you're gonna, here, go ahead, blow, 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 blow. Whoa! And then you're gonna take your piece of paper and you're gonna gently,
We're gonna remove the straw.
and you're just gonna place the paper on it, and you're going to get some cool paint going on. And so now what you can do is like you're gonna repeat it.
We're gonna repeat it one more time. We're gonna repeat it another time.
Getting some cool paint going on. Oh, yep, it's gonna overflow. Keep overflowing. Keep going. 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 Make sure you don't breathe it in too. Okay. Like that's so cool. Okay, now let's try. Okay, now we're gonna try. At least it's just soap. Okay, we're gonna put it here, and we're gonna just gently go like that. Woo! That's so cool.
So cool.
That's so cool. Do you want me to try?
Yeah, you
Yes.
try now.
Only with family members.
Woo!
Ooh,
So cool.
That's awesome.
And now that is bubble painting.
Bubble painting. So,
Bubble painting is so fun.
it's so fun and
But
so
you'll probably
pretty.
need a shirt
Mhm.
that probably like stained
Mhm.
or probably like broken
Mhm.
or something that's too big for you.
Yeah.
So that's bubble painting. Thank you for joining us. Bye.